What's up, guys? Day one of trading the Express, and we had a green day, which is good. So here was my, let me remove this box. Actually, fuck this box. So I mean, now, if you guys know how my combine went, it was very like, I was fucking for my combines, I was kind of full porting. Like this combine for this account, I was full porting because there was a free reset. My other combine, I blew it, so I've just been waiting for the yeah, I blew this combine. But this is the one. Okay, so this Express is the one I full ported and passed. The other combine, I'm waiting until, what is it? I'm waiting for 3 days till April 25th for it to get the free reset, because that's the one I blew right away. And then I opened up this one the other day as a third. So I mean, if I pass this, I didn't take a trade on this one today, but if I pass this combine and I pass the reset one, I'll have 3 fucking Expresses, which is crazy. But first trade on the Express today, I was really nervous. Like it got better. I mean, I took my execution. I wasn't stressing. I got lucky because as soon as I entered, I had no drawdown. Like entered, boom, we shot up. Put my stop right under here. Reason for entry, market open. We had this chop. I don't know if you guys see this very well. Just straight chop, but the range was really short. It was really weird. We had like, how much? Like 55, 58 kind of points of range, which on market open is not like a lot for how long is this? Like 10 minutes. And then we had this breakout, and we had London highs right here, completely ripped through them. So what I was coming in the day, my plan is we were looking, for me, on the higher time frames, for me, we're still looking kind of bearish. But I kept in mind that I was gonna wait and see what happened off these highs, because I knew, I had a really good feeling we're at least gonna hit the highs. Either we're gonna sweep them and go for lows, or we're gonna blow past them. And what I was looking at was, I traded Asia yesterday on that other combine, right? And I made, what is that? Like 600. But because we broke structure here on the 30-minute and the hourly before going into market open, we broke structure here. So I was thinking either we hit these and we swing lower and we go for these lower lows, or we blow past these highs and we target higher highs. So we blew past them, and then if I go to the 1 minute, let me find my entry, blew past the highs, retraced into this imbalance here, and we had this chop. I had a buddy that entered right around here. Since this was my first trade in the Express, I was waiting for like a really good confirmation. So I entered off this candle, pushing out of the imbalance here, entered right here, set my stop, kind of just randomly, like I threw it just kind of in here. I think I was risking what, 4 times 20. I was risking like less than 80 bucks, like 78, some shit like that. Like risking like nothing, right? Because first Express, my goal on this Express is just don't blow it. I want to keep this for as long as I can. Like a payout would be really nice, but my main goal right now is just to not blow it and just to keep it. Yeah, so entered here. Here's London highs. So we ripped through them. Or wait, what? Doesn't seem right. No. This is London highs. This is a high I marked out. I'm just gonna remove this. Yeah, so we ripped through here, and we had a lot of chop. I was just holding. I think up here I was up like maybe 200 or so, up and down. TP was really high, so 7RR. TP was right up here, which is this high right here, and I had a, holy fuck. Okay, did I take a picture of this? 1 second, am I recording? Yeah, okay. Please say it took, oh, I did. Okay, you're not gonna see on the webcam. Maybe I put a limit order. I wish I could show it better. Did I take a better picture? No, maybe this will help. You probably won't be able to see it, but I had a limit order for one contract at 100 points, so that I could secure my 100 point day. So it looks like my 100 point was here, But my limit order was literally, it was 1 point away. So it got 1 point away from my limit order to trim one contract for 200, so I could secure my 200 day. Then we started ripping down. So as soon as we broke structure here, I just pulled out one contract and then moved my stop to around here so that either way I was up 200 for the day. But then as soon as I did that, we started ripping back up, and then I just held that last contract to here. I'm kind of glad because we got this chop right in this area, so I'm glad I got it right here. But yeah, really good trade. I'm really happy with my risk. I risked really little, and I did a really good job trimming that one contract because there is a good chance that we would just get up on this high and we just sweep right through, and then I'd be left with 0 on the day. So I'm glad that either way I secured myself the winning day, and I ended up getting that runner, which made us almost 400 on the day. So really good day. I'm not going to trade anymore on the Express today, probably not even on the Combine, unless we get a really solid entry. I'm fine with risking a little more on this Combine, but I'm definitely not full porting it because there's no free reset or anything like that. So I'm going to chill out. I just opened this one yesterday, so I've got the whole month to do it. And I'm going to take it nice and slow because the fees for activating the accounts are going to start stacking up. So we have, if we pass this Combine, that's going to be another 200 to activate. If we pass the other Combine, that's another 200. So that could be another 400 on my pocket. And if I haven't made anything yet, that's a good chunk of money, right? So if I take this one slow, if I were to get ideally, I'd want to get a payout before activating these two other accounts. So say I get if I secure like $1,000 payout, that'd be crazy because that'd be like, say, 1,300 Canadian, and then I could easily cover all my costs, cover my pass blown account, cover 2 more expresses, and have some more in the bank. So I'll be chilling on 350k expresses for free, basically, because I'll paid it off. That'd be crazy. So that is, I'm not even gonna think about that though, because that's a very long-term goal. But that's something I'm kind of looking at in the future. I had a goal for get funded in June. I set maybe a month or 2 ago. Now that I'm funded, I change it to get 4K in payouts by June. I think that's definitely pretty ambitious. It's a really ambitious goal. Kind of like as ambitious as I thought my other one was. But we'll just see how it goes. If I can continue these like near $400 days, right? And like this was really safe. You know, I was only risking 70. So say tomorrow, like I just got myself a big margin of potential losses, right? Like say I trade tomorrow, say I lose like $100, then I can lose $100 for 4 days and be absolutely chilling, right? So I'm really happy with I'm really happy with today's trade because that gives me a really good cushion for any errors that may come in the future. I just got to keep risking smart. I'll probably be trading like 2 to 3 micros a trade. Depends, of course, on my confidence. This one I wasn't too confident in because I don't know. I just didn't feel too confident, and I missed the entry. Like the ideal entry was probably right around here. I missed it by around 20 points. So I was like, I'll throw two micros, and it was my first trade, so I didn't want to risk too much. But yeah, first day on the Express. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.